I'm going to go down this line and take a look at it. That's our tag line there we're using to guide our jetting equipment. We've cleaned this laundry line pipe a couple times, and we just want to see our progress. But you can see all the bottom's nice and clear. I'm pretty happy with what we got so far. We'll get a better look at it on the way back. Oh, there's a crack in the line right there. So that's why you do this cleaning, so you can actually see what's going on. You know, crack in the laundry line's not that critical, but it is there. I don't think we're going to clean this line anymore. We've only gone a couple sweeps through there. And that's our jetter hose. You can get that out of the way. Pull that tag line out and get it out of the way, because there's some cracks in this line, so we're not going to do any more cleaning on this line. You see we got the bottom nice and clean. We're in the 4-inch pipe right now. And we got it fairly clean. There's a little bit more debris we could take out, but I'm not going to mess with it because I saw those cracks. So there's the kitchen coming in right there on the right, top right. Alright, so that was 3-inch line. Now this is 2. So from the kitchen out it was 3, and then it turned to 4, and now it's 2. So there's a crack there on the left. You know, we could do more cleaning here, but there's no sense in compromising the pipe any more than it is. Big hole in the bottom there. See, that's what happens when you can't clean it. When you don't clean it, you don't see those cracks. That's kind of important to know. So, you know, the good thing about it is on this laundry line, the only thing that goes in here is water. So you're not going to have paper hanging up. You just need to know, if you're doing a remodeling, anytime you do remodeling, especially if you're going to tear up floor or put new flooring down, it would be best to replace this, at least this laundry line. And then if you have problems with this line, which I don't think you will, but if you do, it means there's dirt and sand getting in and causing the problem. And then you might have to dig it up and fix it.